In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Base44 to WordPress in 2025, step by step. We'll use Zapier to send data from Base44 straight into WordPress automatically, so you can save time and keep everything in sync without manual work. First, set up a Zapier account. Head to Zapier and create an account. If you don't already have one, then sign in. Before you continue, make sure you can log into both Base44 and your WordPress site with the right permissions. That way, when Zapier asks for access, you'll be ready to authorize it smoothly. Next, create a new Zap. In Zapier, choose to create a Zap and set Base44 as your trigger app. Pick the trigger event that matches what you want to export, such as when a new user signs up or when a new order is placed. Connect your Base44 account when prompted and run the test to pull in a recent example. Seeing real sample data here helps you map everything correctly in the next step. Now set WordPress as your action app. Choose the action that matches your goal, like create post, create user, or upload media. Connect your WordPress site and approve the requested access. If you manage multiple sites, double check you've selected the right one. Use the test connection option so you know Zapier can reach your site without errors. With both sides connected, map the fields and automate the flow. This is where you decide what goes where. For posts, map the title, content, featured image URL, and any custom fields you rely on. You can also set the post status to draft while you test, then switch to publish later. For users, map email, display name, and any relevant profile details. For media, map the file URL and alt text. If your Base44 data includes dates, order numbers, or categories, use them to fill WordPress fields like publish date, post slug, tags, or custom taxonomies. Zapier's built-in formatters can help clean up text or dates before they land in WordPress. Run a test action to create a sample in WordPress. Open your site and confirm everything appears exactly as expected. If something looks off, adjust the mappings and test again. When you're happy, turn the Zap on. From now on, every time your chosen Base44 trigger happens, WordPress will automatically create the user, post, or media item you defined. That's it. You've connected Base44 to WordPress through Zapier, mapped the fields, tested the flow, and switched on reliable automation.